Hello folks, we have some big items to open up from Shop Disney. And this is not a come on Shop Disney episode, this is we're just gonna open these up because these look like they're in good condition.
Sealed on the bottom.
Right? And I got another one right here.
I don't remember what's in these.
I have an idea because they're so big, but let's get them open so we can see what actually is in them. Obligatory.
Oh yeah, those!
How about this? I'll hold the box and you start pulling stuff out. Ready? Oh, yeah. All right, take that out of the bag.
Do you want me to? I got these because, well, between all the coupons that we used, I got them a pretty good sale. I don't know if they're gonna fit or not. They may look really stupid.
There's a whole mini collection that came out recently. These are the overalls, the little shorty overalls.
I'm like, am I too old to wear overalls?
You're never too old to wear Minnie Mouse overalls.
Well, we have to see if they fit first. I'll let you know.
All right, and what's the next thing we have here? Oh, I didn't realize that there were faces on it.
Yeah! So these are like denim joggers. And they have little Mickey heads and faces.
Is that a functional drawstring? Because we heard from other people that it's not.
It is not. It's just decorative. It's an elastic waistband though. Elastic's always nice when you spread out from all the Disney snacks. So fingers crossed that at least one or both of those will actually fit.
The next thing we have is...
These are all mugs. So to add to our ABC collection, we started with just our initials.
So we got a B, a K, a D. Now we're just going for the spellings of our names.
It's growing. So I is for It's a Small World. But these are so cute.
They are. I actually have a sticky note on my computer upstairs so I know which ones we have so that whenever I have to go and just add stuff to, because I placed an order today and I had to come up with items that would reach $75 to get my free shipping.
Because you gotta get free shipping.
Yeah, and right now these are only $8 on Shop Disney.
E is for the Enchanted Tiki Room.
And Teia, and we got another one. I think that's it for this box.
Do y'all collect mugs?
This one does.
I don't know how that happened.
I don't either. She never really was a mug person. I'm building a mug shelf in the kitchen right above our coffee maker, so it's a whole nook of just for coffee stuff. So all of this will be in there.
And A is for Adventureland.
A is for Teia or Brandon.
Or Ka.
Oh, that's right. Teia. That one's actually got the Dole Whip on it.
Well, that's in Adventureland.
I know, that's off. I didn't actually look close at these. It's got the Dole Whip. Okay. Now the big box. That one was a big box. This one is a bigger box.
I don't remember if I had a part in this or not. I don't remember.
Obligatory. God, they didn't even like give us a full sheet. It's like a crumb. Packing slip.
I may have had a small part in this. See, what I do is I peruse Shop Disney and I'll end up putting like a whole bunch of stuff in the cart or saving it to the wish list. So whenever he goes and he's like on his pen kicks.
Like this morning.
Like this morning, he had to get one pen.
But I had to get $75 to get the free shipping.
Instead of just paying the shipping, which would end up being a whole lot cheaper.
But there was other stuff that we were eventually going to buy anyway, and because of all the coupons and whatnot.
But it's the principle of getting free shipping, right?
Well, it is, but because of all the coupons, all of these mugs only cost like $8 instead of $15. So,
how many of y'all do that? Do you spend like $50 more than you really needed to just to get free shipping?
put it in the comments below. Look, I figure we're gonna buy it anyway, so we may as well just go ahead and get it and then get the free shipping and not pay the extra like $8 or $9 or $10, right?
Yeah, so anyway, it's either in the cart or the wish list so that when he does this, he can just know what to get me.
So I'm gonna assume that is yours.
Oh yeah, I put these in there because I thought they were cute, and we have an upcoming trip. We go to Disney and you gotta match.
You look at the people that are in the park and you're like, oh, I wish we could do that.
Are we gonna pull a Michael K?
We're gonna pull a Michael K. Are you ready? We clap at the same time. We go, and then it's just magically gonna be on us.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I like it.
Nerd.
It is my lot in life to be the nerd. Oh, what's this?
I don't remember.
Oh my God, there's more. Look at this. There's a box in the box. I don't even know what that is. I'm sure these are more mugs. So
Four boxes in the box.
Oh
yeah.
It's the orange bird. I keep wanting to get this one. So now this is Brandon. Spell my name. Orange bird is like, I love the orange bird. Again, I reiterate, these were only like $8 and some change with all of the discounts. So you gotta take advantage.
Oh yeah, this one. This one only ended up being like $4.
Because I think it was already on sale.
It was already on sale. Mickey.
And it's textured.
Like
I didn't realize it was textured.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Mickey, USA.
It is Mug Central. I'm so glad I'm building
I'm gonna
the
need a
mug rack.
bigger shelf.
I think so.
Bigger than what you're building.
What's that one?
L.
L is for
I have L's in my
middle name. I like that. It's actually Pride Rock.
Simba and Timon and Pumbaa.
I have here, which of course, because they're pins and it's Shop Disney, they do not protect these in any way, shape, or form. So we'll just
Wrapped in cellophane.
call this the one come on Shop Disney moment of this entire shipment. I happened to find Prince Charming's Regal Carousel pins. Literally, they were just randomly on Shop Disney. I was just like, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, hey, what's that? And I'm like, well, I'm gonna get them. Because I've already got like 3 or 4 of the other ones, so I was like, why not? I was like, well, I gotta throw them in, and I gotta place all this other stuff to get my free shipping.
Because you gotta get free shipping.
I didn't want to pay $20 for these and then $10 for shipping, right? That's just dumb.
Hashtag free shipping.
We're on to the box within a box. Would you care to do the honors?
I'm really trying to
I
remember.
don't know what's in that.
Do y'all do this too? Do you order things and forget what you ordered by the time it gets here?
That typically is the sign of you having a major problem. Hey, I'm not saying she got the problem. I'm the one that orders everything.
Speak for yourself. Well, it's in bubble wrap.
Look at all this bubble wrap in here.
It's another mug. Oh, this is the S. They must have ran out of the little small boxes.
S mug.
It's this. So, S is for soaring around the world, because there is an S in my middle name.
So you got the big bubble wrap stuff right here. Then you had the air cushion wrap on the side, and then it was inside of this bubble wrap bag.
Disney, you know how to do it.
Yeah.
Where'd these come from?
Both of these boxes came from Maryland. These are 2 separate orders. Tennessee is the one that always gives me the crap. I'm gonna have to say, Maryland Fulfillment Center, 2 thumbs up. Everything in here was packaged securely, less this. I'm pleasantly surprised. What obsession do you have? Are you a mug person? Are you a pin person? Shirts or Loungefly? Funkos?
Hey.
I think we're getting a little bit of all those things.
It's therapy.
It is. It's Disney therapy. It's shopping
When you
therapy.
can't be at the parks, which has been
A lot.
a lot this year.
What's your obsession? What do you like to buy? Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes. One, 2, 3. No, together. 1, 2, 3. One. How about 1, 2, 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. There, okay, I'll keep my hands together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, go on 3.
1, 2, 3.
There it went.
Ba-da-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun